world is full with nature. Ow! Well, that's enough. Here we see the common oak leaf, often called Oakeus picoceus. Now, this goes on an oak tree, but it is dried out. You can tell because it is brown. Let's place it here and give it the utmost respect. Look at it and admire it. Now, as we walk along, we can see beautiful green leaves, fresh grass, which isn't much good because I have no fever. But if we walk over here, yeah, we see a tree with a box up it. Now, this can be a bird's nest, but it is very, very unhygienic, for we don't know where that box has been. Now, as we carry on walking around here, we have dry grass, which someone may have picked up and threw at someone, and now it is dry.
Like me, like you got in my head.
Now, as we carry on walking around this magnificent countryside, we can see up there a Ryanair plane.
Where's it gone?
This is not good,
There it is.
as this is creating pollution. Therefore, this lush green grass will be no more and turn dry and crusty. Now, over here, we see a birch leaf. I think it's a birch leaf, which is very small. Now, it is also brown, therefore dry, which we know we need to treat it with the utmost respect, as it is very, very precious in this world. There we go. Now, finally, we have a bush. This bush is made up of three main... There may be wild foxes around here. This bush is made up of three main sources. Leaves, which we should treat with the utmost respect. Wood, which is very woody. And water, which comes from the sky and rains down on us. And now, it is also very precious and trustworthy, as if we fall back, it will do this.
Go.
Thank you for watching this documentary. There is one of our wild creatures, Harius Patochius. But thank you for watching this nature documentary.
What did you call me, for goodness sake?
Harius Patochius. Thank you for watching this documentary, and we hope you have a good night.